Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn about how to do or draw a line in JavaScript. So this is basically a playlist. So if you want to learn how to do physics and math animation in JavaScript, then you are at the right place. So this is the first chapter and we will carry on. So let's see first learn the basics how to draw a simple line. So first I will write let's write this code. So first I'm writing a HTML language. Okay, and I will create a canvas id canvas, and let's close this. Press Ctrl S. After that I will create a JavaScript file. Let's say script.js, and I will make sure that the script is included here. Script src source, that is script.js, and close this. Press Ctrl S. Now I have to write the code. Don't worry if you are not able to understand anything. We will, learn in deep details. So first thing that I will do is window dot onload. So var variable, and my variable name is canvas document get element by id canvas, and next is context, uh, canvas dot get context. It is 2D type, and width, basically I'm defining what is the width of the output. So canvas dot width equal to window dot inner width, and height, canvas dot height equal to window dot inner height. Now I will use for loop, sorry, for var I equal to 0, I less than 50, I plus equal to 1, and this context dot begin path, context dot move to math dot random. I'm calling a function dot into width comma math dot random into height. Now copy this, enter, and this will come line 2, and this is context dot stroke. Press Ctrl S, go here, right click on open with live servers. So you can see different number of lines, that is basically 50 lines. Now let's try to understand the code. So first I create a HTML page. Basically this is where my output will be shown, and after that I create a canvas id or canvas from on where my HTML code will be run. This is basically saying, hey, from where I'm going to take my script, JavaScript. So this is what it means, script source id. Okay, now what I've done here, so I said that window on load means whenever my browser load. Okay, window on load, and this is arrow function. Normally you write something like this function, but I use arrow function. Okay, after that I create a variable called canvas. And what is canvas? So I said, hey canvas, uh, go in the document, you will find a element id called canvas. So this canvas id defined here. Context, so I want to define what is my canvas like? It is 2D type. That is the reason I said, hey, canvas dot get context, it is 2D type. Width, I'm defining the width and height of my canvas. So I'm saying, hey, the canvas dot width is how much? Window dot inner width, and height is window dot inner height. So inner width and inner height will going to depend upon how much is your PC resolution. For example, I have a PC resolution of 1920 by 1080. So my width will be 1920 and my height will be 1080. Got it? After that, I have called something called for loop. I am saying here that for loop start from I equal to 0 and will go less than 50 and I plus 1. So context dot begin path. So this is basically for drawing a line. Now a line has 2 points, starting and ending point. So context dot move to basically what I've done is it is defining the starting point of my line, and context dot line 2 is defining basically the end point of the line, and context dot stroke basically draw the line. Okay, so these are the ending endpoints of the line, and this is the stroke. You can also define how much width you want. For example, you can see this is how it look like. Okay, and one more thing, let's what I will do, I comment this code, press Control S, and let's rerun this code. Control that. Let's make it 0 0 0 comma 0. Press Control S. Notice that it is my 0 0 is here. So from here all the lines are drawn. Okay, so you can see how big and small are. You can also just copy paste this and it can create random lines as shown earlier. Okay, so in that way you can create it. So basically what we have learned is how to draw lines normally. Now in the next lecture we will learn trigonometry, and in the future onwards we will learn how to do animation, collision, particles collision, etc., many other things. So that's for all. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.